Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out these clear nursery pots that were sent to me as a gift to test out in my home. And these are so phenomenal. I love plants, I love clear pots, and I love having a variety of sizes. And this set is phenomenal. So you get 4 of the small, nice little small ones, 2 of the second smallest, and then 1 each. And they keep getting bigger. This way I know that I'm gonna have the size of pot that I need when I need it. So, oh, and this also comes with heavy duty plastic labels so you can take your Sharpie and write and label what you are putting in that pot. So let's get some plants and these pots. So we're gonna be combining these two. This is some African aloe. We're gonna be combining these two into one pot, because this is a clipping and I wanted it to get rooted, and then we're gonna combine it here with its mama plant, and this looks like a good size to do it. So let's use this one. So a few things to note about these pots and why these are so phenomenal. They all have really great drainage holes, lots of stability, and are just really heavy duty plastic. And so your plants are absolutely going to love these. Okay, look at that. It's gonna be so happy. I love that I can also watch the root growth within here. I can easily see when I'm watering, and the plants are just gonna love this. And this can easily slip inside of a decorative pot. So if you want it to look a little nicer in your home, it totally works. So I hope you enjoy these pots as much as we do.